Hi, my name is Jeanette. Located in the popular area of South Sound, you will find the Townhouse complex, aptly named By the Sea. This kid-friendly complex is a must-see for those families with small children. The ground floor of this 2,000 square foot townhome includes the spacious living room, the dining area, kitchen, laundry room, and a powder room. On the second floor, you will find a huge master bedroom with ensuite bath. The second bedroom also has an ensuite bathroom. The third floor has plenty of room for 3 single beds and a bathroom. And still plenty of room for a play area. Off the living area, you can enjoy the view of the sea from your large patio area, which also has enough room for a dining table. The view from the decks across the pool to the Caribbean Sea is spectacular. The thatched cabana at the end of a long dock is a wonderful place to enjoy the sunsets. Contact Cayman Luxury Property Group for all your real estate needs in the Cayman Islands.